Say egg. Egg. Egg.
Egg. Ice cream.
Ice cream? Yeah.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Oh, baby. Hi. Hi. Oh, we got from the store apple juice, some shrimp.
So guys, hi guys. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make Nigerian puff. So this is how it goes. First, you're going to want to add yeast, 1.5 spoons of yeast. Add it in there, and then you're going to add sugar. You could add a little bit or you could add a lot. Okay, but we're going to add a lot. Okay, pour that whole thing. Okay, so now you're going to want to mix it. Boom, now you're going to want to mix it. Mix it all around until it's really, really good. And before I started mixing this with my hands, I actually washed my hands. So then when you're done mixing it, you're just going to want to add water. You're going to want to make sure it's warm. Well, stir it, boom. Okay. Okay, so now I'm done with it. I'm just going to. Okay, so when you're done doing all the ingredients, you're going to want to add like a blanket over it, and you're going to want to make sure you're going to want to put it somewhere, and then make sure that it rises. When it rises, that's when it's done. So I'm about to go get a blanket and put this over on it. Okay. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next 30 minutes. So yeah. Alright, this is how the puff look like after you leave it alone for about 30 minutes. It's supposed to from the bottom to come almost all the way up, and that's how it's supposed to be. You see? My mom is about to put them in the fryer right now. So yeah, and at the end we'll be telling you guys how we'll be rating it 1 out of. So stick around. If you want to see our rating, you gotta stick around until the end. Yeah. Y'all, this is what my baby sister doing right now. She's messing up the kitchen. Ooh. Mama, say hi. Say hi. Say
How
hi.
you doing? I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright. Baby.
Baby.
Yeah, good job, Mimi.
So guys, if the food is
Wow, this looks so good.
ooh. Oh my god. Guys, she just took that pineapple head thing from the trash. And also, guys, if it's like almost really brown, which means that it's cooked. Ooh.
Okay, so you have to turn down the stove so that they don't get they get cooked in the
Oil. Ah. And also, I want to say that, guys, like, subscribe, and
please subscribe, please, we love you. Subscribe, please.
and also the people who are not subscribed, please subscribe. And
If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, okay? Thank you. You see how beautiful they look? It's so good. They're looking really good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take them out because we don't want it to brown.
woo! Oh my god. Ooh, that looks so good. Let me show them how it's going to look like. Woo! Those are looking good. If y'all want to do this, if y'all want to do puff, you can go and get everything ready and come and do it with us.
Do you all see that? This is looking really good. Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay. Can I take one?
Okay, it's so soft. Wow. Yummy.
Is it hot for you or? It's really good, guys. So guys, me and my brother just tried this and this is amazing. And I wanted to say that sorry that it's nighttime over here. That's why it's really dark. And also, guys, please subscribe. Like and hit the notification. We'll give you 5 seconds to like. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You subscribe? Yeah, he did. Okay. If you subscribe, you are officially a part of the Sadiq Squad. But if you didn't, and you want to be a part of the Sadiq Squad, you gotta hit that subscribe button right over here. Like somewhere right over here or here. Just hit it. Just hit it. Okay, so guys, this is the puff right now. My mom is frying it right now.
Okay. Be careful, Mimi, it's hot.
As you guys can hear, my baby sister is so excited.
It's hot.
But look at those crispy brown puffs. These are really good. So, subscribe and hit the notification bell, please. And like. Please like. And that's it.
Okay, this is what our pop-up look like right now. Thank you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. We love you, and see you guys next in our next video. Bye. We love you.